Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful 6-point star motif, a flower motif, and this is worked with single crochets, and double crochets and a picot. So let's go into the video and make this beautiful 6-point flower motif. Slip stitch, chain 2, and the second chain from the hook, place 12 single crochets. And 12. Slip stitch and join to the first single crochet here, and chain 3. Chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet. Place a double crochet in the next single crochet, chain 3, 1 double crochet each on each of the next 2 single crochets, continue this pattern all around. You'll have 6 sets of 2 double crochets and chain 3 spaces separating them. Come to the end of this round here, chain 1, instead of chain 3, chain 1, and place a half double crochet in the third chain of this first 3 chain. So that the working end comes to the center. And here chain 3 and 2 incomplete half double crochets and complete. This is our half stitch done in the chain 3 space, first cluster. Now chain 7, sorry, 6, chain 7, and place in the next chain 3 space 3 DC cluster, chain 3, 3 DC cluster. So this is the stitch repeat from here to go over to the next chain 7. So every chain 3 space of the second round is going to have 3 DC cluster, chain 3, 3 DC cluster. That set separated by 7 chains. Complete the round. I shall also complete and get back to you. We have come to the end of this round here. I placed my other cluster to complete the stitches in this chain 3. Now chain 1 and place a half double crochet in the first cluster, chain 1 and place a single crochet here, and in the chain 7 space 6 double crochets, three chain picot, chain 3 and slip stitch to the third chain and 6 double crochets. Sorry, the yarn got stuck. And single crochet under chain 3 space. So every chain 7 space is going to have 7 double crochets, 1 picot, 3 chain picot, 7 double crochets, and in the 3 chain space place a single crochet. This is the stitch repeat, and repeat it on all these 7 chains and 3 chains and complete the round. I shall meet you at this particular point where I began my stitches. Here we have completed the 6-point star motif and slip stitch to the first single crochet here and cast off or fasten off. In crochet it is fastening off, in knitting it's cast off. And these words have been interchangeably used. Here we have the 6-point motif. Hope you liked it, friends. I shall be back with another pattern in the next video. Please do like and share our videos. Do subscribe to our Magic Needles channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Bye friends, have a great day.